offer. To continue, we have, of course, our ATMs, or automated teller machines, in which you can withdraw cash. Now, you can even deposit. Some ATMs, you can walk up to an ATM and put your cash in there and deposit it for you. So a new feature of ATMs where it were just to withdraw money. And also with ATMs, you can go into an ATM and also transfer money from, say, your checking to your savings, or from your savings to your checking. I just recently had to do that myself. With ATMs, however, and when you decide on a bank, you want to consider fees. Some banks may charge you a fee for using another bank's ATM. So a quick example, I used to have TD Bank. A fee TD had is if I use, say, a Bank of America ATM, because there are no TD Bank ATMs in my area, TD Bank would hit me with a fee, say a $5 or $6 fee on top of whatever the amount of money I'm taking out of my account. I just switched over to PNC Bank last June, and if I go to any other ATM that's not PNC, I don't get hit with a fee. So I can go to a Bank of America ATM, use my PNC card, and I don't get hit with a fee. More complicated than that, but that's the premise of it. So you want to consider and compare fees when you're looking at banks, because you do use ATMs a lot. But if you go to your own bank's ATM, so if I had PNC and I go to PNC ATM, I don't pay a fee either. So it's only when you use other branches or other banks' ATMs you want to look at those fees. Debit card, that is the card that you get when you set up a checking account. It requires a PIN, usually a 4-digit number. Memorize your PIN, never give your PIN out. But when you set up a checking account, you receive a debit card. Okay. Also, when you have a savings account, it is on your debit card as well, so you can access either or. But usually with checking accounts, they're on your debit card. You have a PIN. If you ever lose your debit card, call the bank immediately, so they can either, one, freeze your account, which it will be on hold, so in case anyone comes across your debit card and tries to use it, they can't, or they could just cancel your account. You'll still have your money, they'll just create a new account for you. Usually they may charge you, I know PNC, the one time I lost my debit card, charged me $7 for a new card, very low fee, and I was fine with it.